division is one of the hardest ones and the basic ones. So let's say you have 12 chicken wings. That's a chicken wing. You have 4 friends. You want to give each friend a few chicken wings, but you want it to be equal. How many chicken wings do you give to them? So they are all happy and there's not a sad one. I like to think of this as a sort of reverse multiplication. So 4 times what number do you need to get 12? That number is obviously 3. And the answer for 12 over 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So think of it, but let's think of it as the more intended way. So let's draw 12 cookies. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. We're going to divide this into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you see it became 4 rows instead of 3 columns. And guess what? 12 divided by 3 is 4. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we count 1, 2, 3. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3. And that is 12 divided by 4. So that's how to do it if you are drawing it. Now let's get on to doing it in more there's not really much I can explain for division, but let's try 20 divided by 5. Now try to picture the drawing in your head. Divide 20 into 5 rows. So how many would go into the 5 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see that's 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that's 5 rows. There's 20 total, and there's 4 biscuits in each row. So the answer is 4. Now this is gonna be a lot more advanced. You have 485 divided by 5. Let's see. What I usually do is I do it in a method that, let's say, a cashier giving change would give. So let's see, 5. What's the closest sort of 10 to it that also has 5? 450. What's 450 divided by 5? That's 90, obviously. So we have 90 equals to 450. 475 equals to 95, because that is just adding 25. So now 485, that's plus 10. Plus 10 is how many 5? That's 2 5s. So now 97. Now we have the answer quite simply without any formula needed, 97. But I do admit that this might take someone of a higher grade level to understand, but that's because division is also taught in a higher grade level as well. I'm going to be honest, I don't know the long division formula, but I have never needed it before anyway. So this is my way of doing it. Let's say you have 20 divided by 3. That's obviously not possible. So let's keep on adding to see the closest one. The closest one would be 21, but that would be higher than the original number, which is 20, so let's cross that out. What we are actually looking for is the closest number that's lower than 20, so that would be 18. And now we already have the closest number. How much is 20 minus 18? That is 2. So now we're going to write that as R2. R stands for remainder. Just think of it as how many remain. So that would be 18 R2, or 18 remainder 2.